Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class A220 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Formatic, Mercedes-Benz, and A220 badging. Trunk. Rear seats. Blind spot assist. Memory seats. Driver seat controls, heated seats, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 32,909. Push button ignition. Radio, backup camera, customizable LED ambient lighting, climate control, center console, Mercedes-Benz shifter. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.